Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Data Wrangler in VS Code. This powerful extension allows you to prepare and clean your datasets without ever leaving your development environment. You can quickly visualize data, identify inconsistencies, and apply transformations with just a few clicks. It's designed to streamline your data preprocessing, saving you valuable time on every project. To begin, install the Data Wrangler extension directly from the VS Code marketplace. The process usually takes less than 30 seconds. Make sure you have a working Python installation on your system, as it powers many of the underlying operations. Once installed, simply right-click on a data file, such as a CSV or Parquet, in your VS Code Explorer and select Open in Data Wrangler. Data Wrangler provides an intuitive interface for common cleaning tasks. You can quickly inspect each column for unique values or missing entries, which are clearly highlighted. For example, addressing missing data is straightforward. You can remove rows with one click or fill them using various methods, like the mean or median. Renaming a column or changing its data type takes only 2 or 3 clicks, making these initial steps very efficient. Beyond basic operations, Data Wrangler supports more advanced transformations through custom code cells, allowing for fine-grained control. A standout feature is its ability to generate a full Python script containing all the steps you performed, ensuring your cleaning process is completely reproducible. Once your data is pristine, you can easily export the final dataset to several formats, like a CSV file or a Parquet file, ready for your next analysis step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.